Hello class, welcome back to another flip lesson. Today we're going to talk about multiplying and dividing integers. So get your note sheet and a pencil and let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is the review it section at the top. We've already learned to add and subtract integers, so take a few minutes to practice adding and subtracting. Pause the video if you need to and complete this section. So let's see what we need to know for multiplying and dividing integers. Multiplying and dividing integers is really not complicated. It just requires a little bit of memory. There's really only two steps. The first step is to multiply and divide your values. Once you've multiplied or divided, then you want to determine what sign you're going to use using these rules in this table right here. Basically, if you have the same signs that you're multiplying or dividing, then you're going to have a positive result. If you have different signs that you're multiplying or dividing, you're going to have a negative answer. So looking at the table, we see that if you have a positive, and this is multiplying or dividing, doesn't matter which one you do, positive times a positive equals a positive. A negative times a negative is a positive. Remember, same signs, gives you a positive answer. Same signs, positive. Now we have a positive times a negative, and we get a negative answer. And we have a negative times a positive, and we get a negative answer. And the same works for division. So if we have different signs, we're going to have a negative answer. So let's try a few problems together. We have 16 times 4. We know that 16 times 4 is 64. And it's a positive times a positive, so it stays a positive. Same signs, positive answer. We have negative 15 times negative 5. Well, 15 times 5 is 75. And we have a negative times a negative. So remember, a negative times a negative is a positive. Same signs, positive answer. 27 times 8. That's a big number of 216. But we have a positive times a negative. So a positive times a negative is a negative. So it's negative 216. And then we have 56, negative 56 times 7. Take a moment to figure that out. And we have 392. Another big answer. But we have a negative times a positive is a negative. Different signs mean negative. Let's try division. It's the same thing, same rules. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Positive, positive, positive answer. Same signs, positive answer. Negative 15 divided by negative 5. Negative 15 divided by 5 is a 3. Negative, negative, positive. Whoops, I almost got confused. Same signs, positive answer. 27 divided by negative 8. 27 divided by 8 is 4. Oops, I did that one wrong. Let's change that. 27, 8. Let's divide that by 3. 27 divided by -3, and we're going to get 9. And we have a positive and a negative. So different signs means a negative answer. And then we have -56 divided by 7. And we should get 8. Hopefully you caught that mistake. And we have negative divided by a positive. Different signs means negative. So really that's all there is to it. Just remembering this table right here. Same signs, positive, different signs, negative. Try these problems for homework and bring them to class so we can check them. Have a good weekend.